So this is my 2013 Aston Martin Rapide S, having covered 90,000 kilometres. I purchased just over 2 months ago, and to my surprise, the car mats are actually integrated into the normal carpeting in the cabin, and what looks like a car mat is actually the floor mat and nothing underneath it except for the bare metal and the insulation. And it's in excellent condition. The scuff mat is a little worn, but remarkably good condition. But I kind of felt the need to have some floor mats, so I did a bit of a search, and I found an Australian company called Fit My Car, who make bespoke floor mats for this particular model and a lot of other cars as well. These two clips you see here came with the new mats and are very easy to fit into place. Here's the new mat, and I've already done a trial fit and it fits perfectly, so I'll just pause this video and pop. So here we have the floor mat now in position, held in place at the back by the two hooks, and as you can see, it is a perfect fit. I think they've done an extremely good job. If you're an Aston Martin anorak, you may not be entirely happy with the fact that it doesn't line up perfectly at the top, but to be honest with you, I'm never going to see that with my feet. And I've been in the car and it feels great. So I think that's a well worthwhile addition. The one on the passenger side is an equally perfect fit. So that's my new floor mats for my Aston Martin Rapide, courtesy of Fit My Car. I'll put the link in the description.